if you want to create a pop-up menu in DREAMWEAVER, let's go back into the DREAMWEAVER program, and you'll notice in order to create pop-up menus in DREAMWEAVER, well, your best bet is to use layers. You'll notice I've set up 2 layers for us already. One contains our original image, and I've named it accordingly in our Layers panel. The other is our pop-up menu, the menu that will appear in this layer when somebody mouses over our Breaking News button, which I've also named in our Layers menu. Very important to name your layers. Now, we're going to position our pop-up menu precisely where we want it to reside, and it looks good right about there. And once we've positioned the pop-up menu where we want it to appear, again, we'll hide it. We don't want it to show initially. So to hide a layer, well, an option for hiding a layer appears on your Layers panel. Notice I have an I column. If you want to hide a layer, you can click in the I column and it will now temporarily hide that layer. If we select our original image inside of our Breaking News layer, all we need to do now is access our Behaviors panel, Window, Behaviors, and we're going to access the Show Hide Layer behavior to create our pop-up menu effect. In order to do this, we need to choose the layer that we want to show when somebody rolls their mouse over Breaking News. Here it is. It's the layer called Pop-up. This is why it's important to name your layers so you can clearly identify them. We'll click the Show button and click OK. Now, once somebody rolls their mouse over the Breaking News button and the pop-up menu appears, we also need to give our visitor the opportunity to hide the pop-up menu in case they're not interested in going to any of the different options on our pop-up menu.